Hey everybody, this is Hayden again, and in this video I want to show you how to set up your profile on tradeintech.com. So when you log into tradeintech.com, you're going to land on the newsfeed page. What you can do is you can actually just click your icon right here at the top and land on your profile. Now as you can see, my profile is actually built out and we have quite a bit going on here. So I'm going to go through with you step by step on how you can set up your profile. First off, we have your banner image as well as your profile image. You can upload both of these and set them up. I highly suggest doing this because this will really give a good display and presence for your brand. On top of that as well, you can go to edit profile here and we'll go through multiple different things. You can write a simple about me section. This is where you can add your contact information and a little bit of information as well about your company. Make sure to enter in your city and your location, and it's up to you if you want to enter in your gender and your birth date as well. Now that's very simple to set up your profile right there. And under here you'll be able to see everything is displayed. So when you start advertising on our directory, on our groups, on our events, our blogs, all of them will be displayed up here as well, where you can go under and you can view each one of these. So I can show you just an example right here. So the better quality you have, the more your profile will stick out. On top of that as well, you can go through and see all of the content that you're constantly posting, all the pages you like, friends you have, and rate pages too. Now people will be able to go through and see all of this information about you too on every single one of their profiles. You will only be allowed to see your statistics. Other people will be able to see their statistics as well. So you can go through here and you can see all of the things that you've uploaded in the past in your history too. Guys, this is how you set up a profile on TradeInTech. It's very simple to do. Make sure to upload all of your information and start advertising on other parts of our website, and it will build out your profile so you can gain a lot more attention and traction for your brand. Hope you guys enjoyed this, and I'll see you later.